welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome. All right, y'all, so as you can already tell about this title of this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do your makeup 101. Okay, so go ahead and grab your pen and your book and come set your butt down. I don't have nothing on my face, but I just want to clean my face, so we can start with a clean surface or whatever. I haven't put makeup on in a minute, y'all. College really got me looking like a homeless person. Do you see how I be going to school? Now I gotta start dressing up, looking cute and stuff like that. But besides the point, I'm gonna show you guys how to do your makeup today, because we're about to go to 2024. Like, how you don't know how to do a little beat? Now you want to book Beats by Bree, you know? Y'all haven't seen that TikTok? Because I think I made a joke about that too in my other video. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys step by step on how to do a soft glam makeup look. Okay. All the makeup stuff I'm gonna be using, everything is affordable, like really cheap. Like, I'm a girl on a budget. I'm not trying to spend thousands of dollars on makeup stuff, so everything I have is very affordable. I am not gonna sit here and give you guys the name of every single product that I use, so I'm just gonna show y'all what I'm using and then like do the step. Okay, so follow me step by step how I achieve this look. Okay, start off with my primer. I'm literally running out of this stuff. That's how good you know it is. Okay, so this step is very mandatory. Like, you have to apply primer to your face. You can't just apply makeup on your face. That's how my skin like been really good, because that's one thing I learned while doing makeup. You have to apply primer. Like, you just air dry this a little bit and let it be tacky like that. And now I go in with this, and I'm honestly gonna stop talking just so I can show you guys and not get you guys distracted. So I'm just gonna show you guys and not talk. Okay. Concealer set a little bit just so it helps. So I have learned that if I let my concealer set a little bit, it just helped me, you know, get a smooth under eye. You don't want no crease or nothing like that. So while this is sitting, I usually, if this will open, I usually just use whatever powder. Okay, this don't open, so it's whatever. I usually just use whatever powder I have on hand and just dust my brows just so it don't be oily, and then I start doing my brows. Basically, like, you don't want a lot, you just want to take the oil off your brow like this much, and I actually top it so I can get the excess off. Like I said, you just want a little bit just to get a smooth brows. Or if you're someone that also like doing your brows before doing everything else, just because it's easier for you, I sometimes do that. It just, lately, that's how I've been doing it, so that's what I'm doing right now. But yeah, you can totally do that too. Totally do your brows before if you feel comfortable that way, and then just go on with the next step. And this is my all-time 2 favorite products for my brows. I always use this. It have never changed since I started doing my makeup. I started using this at first, and then I got introduced to this, and then I just never stopped. So this is in the shade Espresso. Like I said, all of these stuff is very affordable. Like, if you're a makeup girly, like, I really don't even recommend, even if you're trying to be a makeup girly or starting up, I don't recommend you buying expensive stuff just because it's makeup. Like, what's the worst? So a little trick that I do, I'm just gonna come up close so you guys can see what I'm doing. I just follow my brow shape. I draw a line right here. Like, my brows are not even. If you can tell, if you can't, that's cool. Like I draw a light line right here. You don't want it to be too harsh. Even if you made a mistake and it's too harsh, just use your other side and brush it up, or just use whatever brush you have. And then, like, just because I personally like my brow shape, I just follow my brow shape, and that's what I recommend all of you guys to do. Follow your brow shape. Like, it's not that hard. Like, I did this on purpose so you guys can see what I'm saying. I made this a little too dark. You don't want to leave that like that. Just use your brush and just brush it up. Like, just do that. And another trick for you to not, if you don't want to do a line, you can just use your pencil and just brush your brows up like so, and just fill your brows in, basically. And if you made a mistake, it's fine. That's what concealer is for. Okay, so my brows is pretty much shape of it's the shape of what I want, and I use 2 different concealer. Like I said before, all of these stuff are affordable. Like, I use these 2 concealer. I can't even talk, y'all. And you just want a flat brush like this. You can get this off Shein. Like, you just want a flat brush and nothing. Like, just do what you can, okay? And just follow the shape of your brows that you already created or you already have. Just go straight line. I find it easy if you rest your arm on something and then draw the line, so you don't be like shaking and like, because it's easier for you to mess up your brows if you keep going back in and out to like correct stuff than if you just draw a straight line. Like, if you keep like stopping, it's harder for you to draw brows. So I'm gonna just stop talking and do what I'm like explaining. Like, you can tell that I didn't get in the crease. That's easy to fix than for me to keep, you know, going back. So I would typically just do that. So that's my brows. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did on this side. Don't freak out or worry about the end of the concealer of you dragging it out. You can easily blend that out while blending your concealer, your contour, if you do contour and all that. So don't worry about that. Don't even stress. Ignore that. So that's my brows routine or whatever. It's very simple and very easy. You're probably wondering why I'm not lining the top of my brows. I personally like my brows to be very natural. I don't like my brows looking like a box, so I don't line the top of my brows. If anything, I usually go in with this concealer since it's a little darker, and I line the out corner of my brow so the tilt of my brow will be a little sharp. But the beginning of my brows, I don't mess with it. But I do that after I blend in my concealer and everything. So I'm gonna just stop talking for a little bit and show you that steps. I know I look like a ghost right now, but it's okay. Calm down. Just take a chill pill. If you at this step, you're doing pretty good. I usually use the same sponge that I use. Don't add no more products to your brush or anything. I just tap in the middle of my brows, just so, like I said, I don't like my brows looking like a box. So after that step, I lightly contour. I don't like looking like I just got a nose job, or looking like that. Just me personally. So I lightly contour. Like, when I say lightly contour, very lightly. So I got this palette from the beauty supply store. I'm just gonna show you guys. Get whatever contour palette or whatever you use, and I usually go with a darker shade. And then just follow my nose shape. I don't do too much. I don't go crazy. Just, you don't want too much, okay? So follow your nose shape or whatever, and then just go with that line. Do the same thing both sides, and I'll be back. I know you're still like, what the hell is going on? Like, it's okay. I usually go back in with the same beauty blender. This is another concealer. Ignore this. I need to clean my makeup stuff soon when I go back home, but for now I'm at my dorm, so I can't really clean it nowhere. So I just lightly tap my nose, like very lightly, just to keep that shape, because that's pretty much why I just contour. And then I go back in with the same contour brush that I use and just follow that line that I created. And I drag my contour palette brush into my eyelid or whatever to give me that little crease kind of look, if you know what I mean. So that's that. Now you like, I still look crazy, nothing changed, it's okay. So now I just go in with my powder, and I'm just gonna use this powder today. Yeah, so sorry y'all, I lied, I forgot something. I like the inner corner of my eyes to be really bright. That's just me personally. This step is unnecessary, you don't have to do it. I usually go back in the corner of my eyes right here and put a little concealer, because that's the only place I put highlighter or eyeshadow, because I don't usually wear eyeshadow like that. Just find a small brush like this so it can like go into the crease, and I just tap right there. Like, you don't want to do too much. I just want my little eyeshadow that I'm gonna do to pop. That's why I usually do this. Like I said, it's totally unnecessary. You don't gotta do it if you don't want to. I think it help pop your concealer, but in a case that, like, that's just me personally. Then I go back in with my concealer that I was telling you guys about, and I do line the top of my brow. Like I said, this is kind of messy, so I don't like using it. It actually have a brush, but don't be like me. I just go and follow that line. Same thing. And that's it for your brows. Now we do the powder. This is the powder that I'm using. Got your little puff pad. Why I'm letting this powder sit, I know you like, what the hell, Danielle, that's too much powder. You can use less if you want to, that's just me. But also remember, do not drag the powder in your face like you just saw me do. I literally tapped the powder. I did not do nothing extra. This is the palette that I use. Yeah, it's broke, and I'm not getting a new one because this is still fresh for me. So I'm not doing nothing crazy today. I'm just doing just a little highlight, like I said, in the corner of my eyes. This is the time that I do that, just because it gave me something to do instead of waiting for my powder to set. Okay, this is the lip liner that I use. And that's my lips. Now I go in and dust off the powder. Yeah, now I dust it off. So now I already dusted it off. And if you think you put too much powder, like I'm feeling like I put too much powder and I look a little too orange, if you know what I mean. So I just go back in with just invest in the same powder as your same shade powder, just for emergency, like for cases like this. So if I feel like I did too much powder the first time, I just go in with the same shade, lightly dust on my face, like just to bring the color back into my face, if you know what I mean. And that's pretty much it. We're really close to the end of this video, but I go ahead and set my face while this is sitting. So I set my face like 2 times, y'all. You don't gotta do what I do. So, and then I use that as blush. This the shade. Like I said, I don't really do too much, just to bring a little color back to my face. Sometimes I also use this as what's it called, eyeshadow, because it's just a neutral shade. Like, use this highlighter. I've been having this for so long, y'all don't even understand. But, and then I go in with my fingers, just use this and then just tap lightly on my nose to give me a little highlight. I use 2 different setting spray. I use this also, and I go in this stage and set everything. I can't find my lighter shade of lip gloss, but it's okay. I love me a good old nude lip, so I always do that. I don't wear lip gloss. I mean, don't wear lipstick, just lip gloss. So and then I top that off with lip gloss. I know I use a lot of lip gloss on my makeup. And this is pretty much the end of this makeup look. And yeah, I use a lot of lip gloss. You don't gotta use that much. That's just me. Yeah. Oh, I forgot, y'all. Totally forgot. So after I did my brows, like I usually would just go in with this, and this like just helps keep my brows in place. I don't know how I forget this, y'all. I literally just, even though sometimes I wear it by itself, I don't know how I just forget it, but it's okay. It's not too late to apply it. It's pretty much the end of this makeup look. So if you're interested in seeing more makeup video like this, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below. Follow my Instagram, both my personal and my nails page. If you don't know, I do nails and I do hair. So go ahead and follow me on both my personal and business page. And give me some videos idea that you want to see. I'm open to ideas. And if you guys want more get ready with me doing my makeup type of video, let me know. I can do more makeup video, or maybe trying new makeup techniques, because I've been doing this makeup style for a long time and I really have never changed nothing. I'm gonna be trying the One Size Beauty makeup products. So if you're interested, make sure to comment down below and subscribe. I also got these brushes from Shein. So more videos coming for you guys. I literally filmed 2 videos today, and editing. I'm gonna edit this video right now because I have to get a lot of stuff out to you guys, but I'm trying my possible best. So please go ahead and do me a favor and just subscribe. And that's pretty much the end of this video, y'all. I'm really feeling myself. I haven't done my makeup in a minute, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Baby, tell me